I want to touch a topic this evening that I have never touched before. The importance of sports psychologists to overall sports performance. Heard that cliche over and over again, that Jamaican national teams and individual representatives urgently need to have sports psychologists integrated into the programs in order to optimize performances. But may I think to myself, how do we quantify the effects of sports psychologists on overall performance? First of all, if teams and individuals don't have talent and quality, if they are not properly prepared and not physically fit, sports psychologists can't help them. And if an athlete or a team are not used to having these mind experts asking weird questions, this could very well confuse and discombobulate the athletes and make them perform worse. And look, don't get me wrong, anything that can help in performance efficiency is welcome. And the practice of psychology itself is wonderful when it works. But I am willing to bet off the top of my head that the vast majority of sporting champions of the world have over time developed an innate confidence, competitiveness, strength, and fortitude that would have propelled them to become champions with or without the input of a sports psychologist. Conversely, the many teams and countless individual athletes who fall by the wayside, sports psychologists or not, they would have still fall by the wayside. They have a thing in sports named overthinking. One prominent theory is that some athletes, the less they think about what they're doing, the better they execute. And the more I think about it, is the more I think sports psychologists are overrated. Now, don't overthink it, but think about it. What do you think?